Hi angels, happy new year to you all. If you want to make money this year, then you need to stay tuned to this channel because in this channel I'll be telling you everything that you can do to make money. So guys, let's dive in.
Guys, it's your girl Pretty Good and welcome to my workstation. And it's been a while seeing you guys here today. I'm excited. Please make sure you watch the video to the very end if you're dreaming of having a flawless skin. And aside that, make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share to your loved ones. Drop a comment down below, tell me the video you want me to make next and tell me the location you're watching me from so I can be able to say a shout out to you in my next video. Today we want to make our herbal whitening soap, and without further ado, I don't want to waste time. Let me walk you through the recipe and let's get started. Here is our Oshaprapra soap. You can get the soap at any market. Here is our Oshaprapra soap, and then here is our Dudu. I'm going to be using Dudu and this Dodo black soap. I'm using these two black soap. These two soap, I'm going to be reviewing these two soap for you guys. I'll tell you how active and effective they are, the difference, and why have they looking alike. And aside that, I'll be telling you more about these two soap in my next video. So here is our base soap, and I'm also using this soap as our base soap. This is also a black soap, and we are having our whitening soap, which you all know that I can't make a black soap without adding my active whitening soap in there. And also we are using our ozone soap. These are the soap we are going to make use of. Then let us grate our soap. We are going to start by grating all the soaps. So let's put this aside. We are going to grate all the soaps. Here is my tray and here is my grater. So I'm going to grate all the soaps. These are the soaps, so let's grate them into small chunks and see you guys. So we are going to grate our soaps, but in case you don't see this type of herbal soap, you can go ahead and get your Ghana wrap soap, that black soap that is always wrap. I'm going to leave the picture on the screen where you can go for it. That one too is also a very good soap as well, but I just decided to use this soap because I couldn't get that one, so I decided to use this black soap. But definitely I think I prefer this, though I use the two. So anyone you get is actually good. Anyone you get is very, very good. So I'm going to grate all the soap. So let me grate the soap and I'll get back to you guys. So guys, here is our grated soap. Here is the black soap, and here is our ozone soap. Also, this is our ozone soap as well, and this is the Kojisan soap. So now we want to add the other black soap to this. Please make sure you follow by subscribing, and if you are watching from Facebook, please kindly follow our channel. So here is our Oshaprapra soap. So we are going to scoop them to this. So we have to use hand glove. Just effectively work don't start. So here is our Oshaprapra soap. If you are a skincare formulator and you get a very sure supplier that can supply you this Oshaprapra soap, is very, very good. It's very, very good for you to add to your black soap. This soap is very, very good. So here is it, and also I'll be going in with this. I'll be going with this. So here now we want to add our black soap to this. This is the color. You can use this soap alone as well. You can use the soap alone if you are a dark skin or you're a caramel skin, you can use it alone. Or if you just want something that can glow your skin, you can use the soap alone. It's very, very good and mild. So here is all the soaps. Now we want to soak this soap. Normally I supposed to pound it, but because I don't have that strength, so I'm going to be using a cleanser to soak my soap. You can use rose water, but me, I prefer using a cleanser. So for those of you, I'm just using a very mild cleanser, or better still, you can go ahead and use shower gel. If you have shower gel, you can use shower gel, but I just decided to use cleanser. This is the cleanser that I'm using. You can use any cleanser of your choice. So it's not necessary is this one that I use. You can use, what's the name of that cleanser? What's that name? This one, Damalis. You can use Damalis, but I'm not using Damalis. I'm using that extract. You can use Damalis cleanser. You can use any cleanser of your choice. So I'm going to match this soap. After leaving the soap for a while, it's going to melt because we've already grated the soap, so it's easy for the soap to melt together. I'm supposed to pound this soap, but I don't have that power. So here is our oil, our whitening oil I'll be adding to this soap. So I'm using 1 bottle of it. I'm using 1 bottle of our City Plus oil. If you don't have City Plus, you can use Kojisan serum. If you don't have Kojisan serum, you can use Clean Clear or Citro Clear oil. You can use any of those 2 oils. They are good. They are very good. So now we want to add our powders. You can decide to add your powder before you add your oils, but anyhow, just add the powder. That's our turmeric powder. Here's our rice powder. Our rice powder. Our neem powder. Neem powder is very good. Please try and add it. If you don't have neem powder, you can add neem oil. Here is our neem powder. Then our neem powder. And here is our kojic acid powder. So those are our powder. So we are going to leave this soap to soak. After we match it, we match the soap together. Just match the soap so that the powders and the soap will incorporate to each other. This soap, if you like, don't use cream. It's still going to work on your skin. You don't even need cream. Just get a good oil, either turmeric oil or any good oil of your choice. Just use it along with this soap. Then you are good to go. You are good to go. You can see how easy this soap making is. Please, you can patronize also. Please patronize us. If you want to buy this soap, we are selling in different sizes. This one, I'm doing it for my customer. And the customer is in Abuja. So, in case you want to patronize us, we can deliver to you anywhere. So I'm going to leave this soap to soak and melt on its own. I'm going to leave it for like 2 hours. Then I'll come back to come and add our serum. We only add our oil, and we've not even added all the oils, because we are still going to use some natural oil like palm kernel oil, coconut oil, and other oils. and turmeric oil, neem oil. So we are going to add those ones later. But I want this soap to be like this, so that those added soap there will be able to soften before we add them to this. So I'm going to leave the soap for like 2 hours and come back to it. Hi guys, sorry about the color picture. They have taken the light. So after 2 hours, this is how the soap look like. So I'm going to add other ingredients to it. Right now I want to add my palm oil to this. I'm going to add little palm oil to this soap. After adding palm oil, I'm going to add my aloe vera gel. This is raw aloe vera, so I just extract the gel from the raw aloe vera. So I'm adding my aloe vera gel to this. Now I'm going to be adding my papaya oil. The papaya oil that I made the last time, this is it here. I just pour it here. So I'm adding my papaya oil. This soap is not just going to whitening the skin, but also glow up the skin. So here is our milk. I'm adding my full cream milk. So I'm adding my milk to this. Sorry about that. So now I'm going to match my soaps together. So guys, after adding our papaya oil, our turmeric oil, now we are about to add our honey. So we are adding our
I'll be adding little of my glycolic acid. Please, if you are not a professional, skip this.
So we've added our honey to this. So we all know that honey is very, very good for soaps. And then we are going to still add our is for the soap to exfoliate the skin as well. So I'm adding just little, the cap of it. Because if you add too much of propylene glycol or lactic acid to this soap, it may water your soap. It will turn your soap to water. So that is why I'm adding little of this. So I'm now going to mix up everything now. I'm going to mix everything up. After mixing for a while, I'm going to add my skin-free milk. I'm going to add my skin-free milk to this soap. After then, I'm going to add my preservative to it. So I added like 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons. It's not that much inside. Guys, if I tell you the story of this skin-free milk, you'll be like, hey, this thing pour away. I want to cry, daddy. So after then, I'm going to add my preservative. I'm using Jama Plus. I'm using Jama Plus preservative. I'm going to match it here before I added my preservative. So guys, I'm going to show you the end result of this soap. Please, you can patronize us, or if you want to learn how to make active herbal soap, you can as well send me a DM. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.
Hi angels. Yes, this is our whitening herbal soap. We have them in different sizes. This is our 1 kg of the soap. This is our 1 kg herbal soap, while this is our 500-gram herbal soap, and all these are 250-gram herbal soap, depending on the size you want. Please, you can send us a DM to place your order. Price are different, and if you want a bigger size, then you can send us a DM as well. Thank you guys. I love you. Mwah.